Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another videos. For those who are watching this face for the very first time, you guys must check out my other videos too because I make such a versatile content. Like I make vlogs, hauls, makeup videos, journey related videos, and videos like this that I'm currently making. So I'm sure you're gonna like it. So if you really did, then let me know in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already watched my videos, you guys definitely deserve a big thank from the pinnacle of my heart for picking up my YouTube channel and watching my videos. So thank you so very much, guys. So this video is going to be a very interesting video because this time I'm gonna share with you guys my 10 habits or 10 tips that I adopted during my weight loss journey, and it really helped me a lot in reducing the weight. Like I was this few months ago, and then I transformed myself into this, and here I am, slim and healthy in front of you guys. So I think if you'll also adopt these habits, then it's gonna help you a lot too. And let me just clarify one thing here, that it is also not only about being slim or thin, it's also about being healthy at the same time while you reduce your weight, because both of the things, like if you are underweight or overweight, both things gonna harm you a lot. So you should be in your ideal weight, and that depends upon the height you have. I've already talked about this a lot in my previous videos, so yeah, you can check that out as well. As I said that I have also made a video on my weight loss journey, a long dedicated video, but the motive behind making this particular video was that in that video where I talked about my weight loss journey, I'm sure that I'll put the link in the I button and in the description as well. So if you want to watch that, then you can watch that too. So the motive behind making this particular video was that, or the reason behind making this particular video was, in that particular video one of you guys commented that उन्हें इतना ज़्यादा कुछ समझ नहीं आया. Then I went through that video again, and then I noticed that maybe my talking speed was a little bit fast, like I was talking very fast in that video. Maybe it's the reason that आपको समझ नहीं आया. Then I thought, let's make another video which is very crisp, clear, and in steps, so that you guys can understand clearly, like more clearly. So yeah, with that being said, let's just quickly start with our tips now. So the first thing I would like to share with you guys is having lukewarm water when you wake up in the morning. So I have seen a lot of people jinko, like they don't like having a lukewarm water whenever they start their day or in the morning. Then I have a solution for those people. You can add some things into your water. Example, turmeric, pepper, or black salt, depending upon your choices. But at least start your day with lukewarm water because it has tons of benefits. And the one thing which I adopted was having water before I start brushing. So before you brush, you need to have lukewarm water. I'll tell you the reason. Like there will be a lot of people who will say that there are a lot of bacteria into our mouth when we wake up. How can we have a water? See, let me just tell you the reason behind it. I understand there will be a lot of bacteria into your mouth, but there are also very high level of bacteria into your esophagus and stomach too. So you need to settle them down, or you need to calm them down, or you need to clean your path by giving them lukewarm water rather than giving them the chemicals which are present into your toothpaste. So and if you have done brushing लास्ट नाइट, तो लाइक रात को आपने ब्रश किया है, तो सुबह आपको फिर से अपने माउथ में केमिकल देने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ टूथपेस्ट हैविंग वेरी हार्श केमिकल्स. एंड यू गाइज ऑल्सो माइट हैव ऑब्जर्व दिस दैट अगर आप ब्रश कर लो एंड उसके बाद अगर आप पानी पियो तो एक एस्ट्रिंजेंट सा टेस्ट आता है, अजीब सा टेस्ट आता है. तब फिर इंसान और ज़्यादा पानी पीना छोड़ देता है कि बहुत अजीब सा टेस्ट आ रहा है, लेट इट लाइक इसको डिजॉल्व होने देते हैं जो केमिकल है मुंह में, एंड 1-2 घंटे बाद पानी पीती हूँ, एंड देन दे फॉरगेट एंड द हैबिट नेवर स्टार्ट्स. सो दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू स्टार्ट. कुछ नहीं होगा, you are just cleaning your path, your food pipe, your esophagus, stomach, mouth. You're just cleaning it, not eating. So don't worry, आपके दांतों में कुछ फंस जाएगा. It's just a water. Our body is 90% of water. So there is no harm of, I'm not saying you to eat anything, I'm just saying you to drink water. But if you can't have water, then add some ingredients into it. So yeah guys, that's all. So the next tip I would like to share with you guys is bringing your body into movement at least for 30 to 40 minutes per day. Body movement here I mean yoga, workout, swimming, you can even dance also. It's not subjective, it's not only related to either yoga, gym or anything. You can do whatever you like, you can even dance, you can do swimming, whatever you like guys, whatever you like. So if I talk about myself, then I was doing yoga. I've talked a lot about this in that video too. And yoga is a wonderful thing that have ever happened to me. It has changed my life completely, not physically only, but yoga has impacted my mental health too. I've started thinking in a very positive way. Like I think in a negative way today too, but the extent of that negativity into my mind has reduced a lot. And here yoga means both meditation and doing the poses. So yoga is a wonderful thing that you should also adopt if you wanna do that. But if you are more interested, like if you're more drawn towards a gym or swimming, then that's completely fine. It is only up to you. And योगा का ना मुझे ज़्यादा इसलिए बोलती हूँ मैं बिकॉज जिम is like a not like I can't be very consistent with gym. This is my personal experience, like personal opinion है ये मेरा, because gym जाना, like going to gym depends upon a lot of factors for me. कभी जिम बंद है, संडे को जिम बंद है, कभी बारिश हो रही है तब नहीं जा सकते, कभी इक्विपमेंट खराब हो गया तब नहीं जा सकते, कभी मेंबरशिप खत्म होगी तब नहीं जा सकते. बट फॉर योगा यू डोंट नीड एनीथिंग, यू जस्ट नीड अ मैट एंड जस्ट your mind. So there are very less factors that affect you from doing yoga, but there are number of factors that will affect you from going to gym. But if you are very dedicated, then nothing is difficult for you guys, everything is easy. So you can do whatever you like depending upon your choices, but bring your body into movement at least for 30 to 40 minutes in a day. That will really impact a lot. So now let's see our third tip is start having fruits every day. It seems to be a very small change or habit, but it does wonders. To be honest, like I was never a girl who used to have fruits. Like fruits were kind of very boring thing for me to eat. But डूबते को तिनका सहारा, जब आदमी ओबीस होता है, प्रॉब्लम से जूझ रहा होता है, तब वो कुछ भी ट्राई कर लेता है. Then I started having fruits every day, and guys, it affected me a lot. Like the change which I observed, like weight loss तो होगा ही, this is for sure. अगर आप रोज fruits खाओगे, you will see a massive change into your weight too. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम वेट लॉस, जो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ लगी आफ्टर इंक्लूडिंग फ्रूट्स इनटू माय डेली लाइफ वाज कि मुझे ना वैसे हल्का हल्का सा फील होने लगा. डाइजेशन की जो प्रॉब्लम थी, मतलब मुझे वैसे भी नहीं होती थी, बट कभी कभी हो जाता है ना, हैवी फील होता है, वैसे नहीं फील होता था. आई यूज्ड टू फील वेरी एनर्जेटिक, एंड आई ऑल्सो फील एनर्जेटिक इफ आई फॉलो दिस डाइट, लाइक इफ आई हैव फ्रूट्स एवरी डे. सो दिस seems to be a very small change, but it does wonders. It has a lot of impact. So you should start having at least one bowl of fruits every single day. Next habit that I adopted during my weight loss journey was cutting down sugar. Yes guys, sugar is like a white poison. I have already mentioned it a number of times in my previous videos too, and I can write it down in the paper that if you'll cut down the sugar for full 1 month, you will see a massive change in your weight. I bet on it, hands down. Trust me, it has that much impact. A huge impact. And also I know that we are humans. If you love jalebi, gulab jamun, chocolate, then it's not easy to cut it down all of a sudden, but you can start with slow mechanism. Like you can slowly reduce the level, धीरे धीरे से आप start करो, and then bring this level to a day where you completely avoid sugar. इस तरह से आपको करना है. So I understand we are humans, once in a while हो जाता है, but at least try cutting it down. So, and if you are craving for it a lot, like a lot, आपसे कंट्रोल ही नहीं हो रहा है, then you can have alternatives. You can have कोकोआ पाउडर, उसे आप खजूर में ऐड करके मीठा बना लो, जिसको आप खा लो. दैट इज़ वेरी हेल्दी. फ्रक्टोज शुगर होती है उसमें, सो दैट इज़ नॉट दैट मच हार्मफुल. सो वो खा लो. आप अंजीर खा लो, महंगे होते हैं, बट आप डेट्स खा लो. सो आप नेचुरल फ्रूट लाइक नेचुरल शुगर खाओ, फ्रूट्स खाओ. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स you need to see, and accordingly you need to adopt into your life, because it's your body. You at the end you will be taking care of it. Next tip that I would like to share with you guys is having a balanced diet. बिकॉज आप सोच रहे होंगे इसमें खाने का मतलब जो नहीं खाना है वो तो बता दिया, ये करना है वो करना है, ये तो सब बोलते हैं, बट क्या खाना है इसमें ये नहीं बताया. सो खाने में गाइस आपको प्रॉपर बैलेंस डाइट लेनी है. मतलब मेक श्योर दैट वेन एवर यू आर हैविंग एनीथिंग, उसमें कार्ब्स एंड प्रोटीन. सो कार्ब्स तो होते ही हैं, लाइक वी आर मिडिल क्लास पीपल, तो हमारे खाने में चपाती और चावल तो होते ही हैं, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर हैविंग अ बॉल ऑफ इधर चना, राजमा और पनीर और टोफू. ये आप ज़रूर एक कटोरी में जब भी आप खाना खाते हो ज़रूर खाओ. सो इम्प्रूव योर डाइट एंड मेक अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट. Okay, now let's see our next tip. The next tip, or the sixth habit which I adopted during my weight loss journey, was having at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day. आई नो ये भी अचानक से नहीं होगा, बिकॉज मैं खुद दिन में 2 गिलास पानी पीती थी, उससे ज़्यादा मुझसे पिया नहीं जाता है. बट सिमिलरली यू कैन डू स्लो मैकेनिज्म, लाइक यू कैन डू इट बाय स्लो मैकेनिज्म. धीरे धीरे से आप स्टार्ट करो. अगर आप दिन में 2 गिलास पानी पीती हो, देन स्टार्टेड विद 2.5, then 3, then 3.5, then 4 bottle, मतलब then 4 glass, and then bring it to the level where you can have good amount of water per day. सो वाटर का अमाउंट तो आपको देखो इंक्रीज करना ही पड़ेगा. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि एकदम से ऑल ऑफ सडन कर लो, बट धीरे धीरे से आप चीज़ों को करो जो मैंने की, एंड इट मेक्स डिफरेंस. So now let's see our next tip. Next tip that I would like to share with you guys is deleting all the food apps from your phone and avoiding deep fried and junk food. Yes guys, I know few of my friends जिनका एक्सपोजर ही बहुत ज़्यादा है. लाइक वो शहरों में रहते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर है बाहर के खाने का, उनको आदत है बाहर का खाना ही खाने की. वेरी रेयर दे मेक द फूड in their own kitchen. But guys, let me tell you one solution for this. You must be aware of this line that ignorance is bliss, meaning the one who is unaware of unpleasant event cannot be troubled by it at all. So अगर आपके घर पे ऐसा सामान पैक्ड फूड रखे हैं, आपके फ़ोन में एप्स हैं, तब डेफिनेटली यू विल क्रेव फॉर अनहेल्दी फूड. बट अगर आपके फ़ोन में ऐप्स ही नहीं हैं, अगर आपके आसपास किचन में पैक्ड फूड, चिप्स, लेस, कुरकुरे ये है ही नहीं, तब आपका इतना मन नहीं करेगा. एंड दिस वाज द हैबिट दैट आई अडॉप्टेड. मैं जाती ही नहीं थी ज़्यादा बाहर. इट्स नॉट दैट कि मैं अपने मतलब सिर्फ वेट लॉस के लिए नहीं जाती थी, मेरा मन भी नहीं करता था. एंड बिकॉज मेरा इस वजह से नॉट दैट मेरा वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, तो मैं घर पर ही रहती थी, तो मुझे इतना ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर भी नहीं था बाहर चीज़ों के लिए, बाहर के मतलब फूड्स के लिए, तो मैं खाती भी नहीं थी उस टाइम पे. बट दोज जिनको मतलब हैबिट है, तो दे कैन फॉलो दिस लाइन दैट इग्नोरेंस इज ब्लिस. एंड नहीं हो रहा है तब भी देन यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो दिस स्लो मैकेनिज्म. दैट धीरे धीरे लेवल को इतना कम कर दो कि आप क्रेव करना बंद कर जाओ, या फिर आप एक दिन रख लो महीने में एक बार, या अगर आप रोज़ ही खाते हो तो हफ्ते में एक बार. देन रिड्यूस द नंबर, इवेंट रिड्यूस कर दो जितने टाइम आप खाते हो, धीरे धीरे करके फिर आप मेक दिस अ हैबिट. So yeah, this is how I did, and I would like to suggest you guys to do. Now the next tip I would like to share with you guys is also related to the previous tip, जिसमें ये था कि आपको जंक फूड अवॉइड करना है. दिस इज स्पेशली फॉर दोज पीपल हु फाइंड इट वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लीव अनहेल्दी फूड. सो गाइज, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको स्लो मैकेनिज्म से करना है, बट अगर आपका फिर भी मतलब स्लो मैकेनिज्म से भी आपका नहीं मन भर रहा है, आपको खाना ही है जंक फूड, देन यू कैन डू वन थिंग. जो भी आपका खाने का मन कर रहा है, यू कैन राइट इट डाउन इन द पेपर. तो आप एक दिन सेट कर लो, इधर वंस इन अ मंथ और ट्वाइस इन अ मंथ, उस दिन आप इन चीज़ों को खा लो. बट द क्वांटिटी शुड बी वेरी लेस. लाइक यू शुड ओनली सेटिस्फाई योर क्रेविंग्स, नॉट फिलिंग योर स्टमक। सिर्फ आपको क्रेविंग्स किल करने के लिए उस क्वांटिटी को खाना है आपको। आई विल नॉट रेकमेंड यू टू किल योर हार्ट, बिकॉज इससे क्या होता है ना यार, अगर आपको मैं बोल दूँ कि आप, या अगर आप ऐसे हैबिट स्टार्ट कर ले, अब मैं ऐसे करूँगी तो मैं खाऊंगी नहीं बिल्कुल, तो इससे ऐसा होगा कि आप ये लॉन्ग टर्म हैबिट नहीं बन पाती है। आप थोड़े टाइम के बाद यू स्टार्ट हैविंग लाइक यू गेट बैक टू दो स्टेज जहाँ पे आप जंक खा रहे हो एंड यू गेट बैक इनटू योर नॉर्मल रूटीन। सो इससे अच्छा, अगर आपसे कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है तो आप ये सेट कर लो, वेरी मतलब उसकी देख लेना अपने हिसाब से, तो उस दिन ही आप इन चीज़ों को खाओ, बट द क्वांटिटी यू नीड टू सी reduce the quantity, just fulfill your cravings, not your stomach. So yeah, now let's see our next habits. Having 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. And I think it is even more difficult than following the balanced diet, because like there are 90% of my friends who they don't sleep on time, and I am the one who sleeps at sharp 10 p.m. And whenever I go to them and I told them that I sleep at sharp 10, then all of the, like few of them are like, oh, you have gotten into this routine, this healthy schedule very early into your life. And I'm like, dude, what are you talking about? We have been following this since 90s, and you are doing it in a wrong way. Like you are into this modern world and you are not sleeping on time, and that's a very, like, it is not good for you. And if you're not sleeping on time, then it's okay, that it's totally your decision, but at least don't say to me that I have gotten into this habit very very early into my life, because this is so basic. So we have to get it right. Some people need to understand that this is totally normal and this is so basic. Even what you are doing is totally wrong to your body. Okay, you are young, you're not understanding, you're not getting the importance of proper hours of sleep. But I think it will be very late when you will understand, because now I have seen a lot of people not taking care of their sleep. So sleep should be your first priority, because whenever you sleep, your body starts taking care of you and it starts healing. You might have observed that whenever there is some cut, there is like every single growth happens when you sleep. So you definitely need to check your sleep, and yeah, it really affects a lot. और I think अगर आप ये follow, जो मैंने चीज़ें बताई उनको follow करोगे, एक्सरसाइज करोगे, डाइट अच्छे से लोगे, then नॉर्मली आपको 10-11 बजे नींद आ जाएगी रात के, अगर आप ये फॉलो करोगे तो। ऐसा ना करें ना कि आप कुछ भी फॉलो ना करो और बस बोलो मुझे सोना है, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा। द लास्ट टिप दैट आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद यू गाइस इज वॉक एंड टॉक. Let me explain it to you. So if you really have some partner, like if your mother, brother, sister, fiance, husband, who can have a long walk with you, then take them with yourself and then have a long walk for at least 30 minutes after your dinner. But if you don't, like me, then you just take your phone, dial the number of one of your friends or brother or family, and then talk while you walk. It's so simple. You just need to do it, and make sure that you don't sleep right after your dinner. खाना खाते एकदम से सो नहीं जाना. You need to have a walk. Don't ever sleep without having a slow walk. Dinner के बाद slow walk is necessary. I'm not asking, I'm not saying you to have a very fast walk, but slow walk is very important and it's very healthy. That will also help you to reduce your calories. This is how you need to make the simple changes into your life that gonna affect your weight a lot. So if you really like my video, guys, then please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and I'm sure you will like it because these are very useful tips I have shared with you guys, and I'm sure that it's gonna help you a lot because it really did for me too. With that being said, let's just wrap up this video and meet you guys very soon in my next video. Bye. Take care. Love you.